Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to migrate the configuration from an old checkpoint gateway, say a hardware, to a new hardware appliance. We will use the save configuration and load configuration commands. In this scenario I have a checkpoint cluster, as we can see here. So two gateways, and this is the cluster. With two members. One of the appliances needs to be replaced with a new hardware model. I will show you how to remove the old member and add the new appliance to the cluster while keeping the same IPs and configuration. Before we can add the new gateway, we first remove the old one from the cluster in Smart Console. This is required because we cannot have two members using the same IP addresses at the same time. Just to show how it is done. But first let's save the configuration from the old one and load them on the new one. So here, let's say that we need to change this one, the FW02, and this is its IP. So first thing we need to do is to save its configuration. Let's log in here and we use save. So when we're saving the configuration, we are saving all configuration. So show configuration, all these configuration. So this is a very short list because this is a new one and have no configurations. But in reality, this list of commands should be very long. So save configuration, and let's call this something like this, Gaia config.txt, and we save it. And this file is, if we go to the expert mode, let's set expert password here. So expert mode, we can find that file on our home directory. So this one, and we need to transfer this file to the new hardware. And to do that, we use WinSCP. So let's open WinSCP. And by the way, I think we need to change the user shell. So let's try to change that. Let's yes, new. Okay, and this is because we need to change the shell here. So we use the command chsh admin, and here we can see this shell, which is the CLISH shell, and we need to change to bin bash. And now this should work. Okay, as we can see here, this is our file. So let's move it there, and let's and now, so we have the configuration. So here I have this machine. This is the new one, and if we take a look at the interfaces, we see that we have this is the external IP, and we have two other interfaces. So if we head back to this one that we need, or we are trying to change, double click on the cluster, we see that this has a sync interface with IP and another interface with IPs. So when we remove the configuration from this machine to the new one should have exactly the same as here. But we should, because this is a lab, And so in reality, you have the management interface, and you should use it to do this, so that when you move the all the configuration, you don't need to change anything, only management interface, which is not so important. But here in the lab, I have to change the IP of the external so we don't lose the connection. Okay, so let's, and here, as we said, we have this machine, this IP. So let's open WinSCP again and see what we can do. So let's 30 admin and admin, continue. Okay, again we need to fix the problem of the shell. So let's get the log and set expert password. Okay, expert, fix the shell. Okay, chsh admin and bin bash. Okay, exit. So we can try again there. Okay, now it's open. So let's jump to the var. Okay, var log and tmp, and let's grab our the configuration from the old gateway. Okay, so now we need to load the configuration, but before we need to alter the text. Do not open the file here in Windows, because it will break. Windows will break it. Windows will add some hidden characters to the file, and it will not work in the Linux environment. So do not try to change anything here, but we go to the expert mode again, and we use V. So V, and let's not here, so cd first, var log and tmp. Here we can see our file, so v Gaia, and here I'm doing this because I need to change the IP address. So here now the IP address of the external IP is the same IP, the 26. So we need to change that so that to make it 30, exactly as this one, so that we don't break the connection. So let's back there. Let's try to find our interface. Interface here. As you can see, we have 26. Let's change that to 30, so that we do not lose connection. As I said, in production, in real hardware, use the management interface, so you don't need to do this. You need to do this only on management interface. So let's save here. Now we can exit and load. So let's grab the command and load the configuration. Now, as we can see, it's running and it's done. Okay, so as we can see, slide magic. Now all interfaces are configured. So now this machine, this one, the 130, is exactly configured exactly the same as this machine. So now this machine is in a cluster. So we need to break the cluster first. So if we double click here, so we click on cluster XL here, or cluster members here, you can see two machines. So we can use the remove here. Delete cluster member. Yes. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. If you want to delete, yes. And press OK here. And by the way, now our virtual IP will not be affected by this, because this is the active. Okay, now it is deleted. Let's install the policy. So I mean, this will not affect the traffic. You should do this in a maintenance window, but as we can see here, removing the standby for one of them will not break the traffic. So everything is green and everything is running. Let's install the policy once. And now when you remove this one, the other one that should be replaced, you can shut it down. And let's see what is happening here. Okay. As secure. Okay. Let's move. I think I have a wrong one. Let's delete one. It's not important. Let's install again. So when this is done, so we can add the new machine to the cluster. Oh, so as we can see, it is done now. So now we can shut this down and back to the gateways. And let's open this again. Cluster members. Add new cluster member. Let's call it, what is this the name? Okay, FW02. The address is done on the 30. And let's try communicate here. Okay, but first let's take a look at the 25. Let's open 25 and see how it looks like from the social cluster state. Okay, only one active. Okay, and now here, as we can see, trust is established. So let's close this. Okay, and now we have a new cluster member. So click OK. There is mismatch between sequential networks. Not all members in this cluster have exactly one interface in each synchronization. Okay. Yes. So let's take a look at interfaces or okay, let's get the interfaces without topology this time. We get everything from this one. As you can see now, it is good. Let's click OK. And we try to install the policy. Let's try to publish and install. Okay, so install. And now, as we can see here, it is installing on both, on the old one and the new one. Let's see if that is successful. As we can see, it is succeed. So close. Let's go again there and see the cluster state. So show cluster state. And now, as we can see, it is active with this. Local is active. So let's try to set cluster member admin down. So down and up, and you see. Okay, now let's take it off again. And now, as we can see here, I have a problem. And this problem is because these two gateways are running on two different machines. And the sync interface is not working because they cannot reach each other when they are sitting on different machines. I mean on two different hardware, because I'm running these on different computers. So what you should do this as I did when migrating a new hardware. So this video is done here. Maybe it is not perfect as this is done here, but this video is done here. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.